figure out how we can find this lasting solution to this problem dividing our great party. And as the encyclopedia of our party is giving us some ideas, some historical background, and he also accepts that a solution is necessary. Our aim is to get into the Aso Villa. PDP to get into the Aso Villa in 2023. The end, like Machiavelli will always say, will justify the means. And to do that, we need everybody must come on board. So we are still moving around. In 6 days' time, the campaign council will be inaugurated. And we hope and pray that before then, Nigeria and Nigerians will see a more united PDP. And we are doing this not for us, not for the chairman, governor's forum or anybody. We are doing this for Nigerians, because Nigerians are looking up on us in PDP to deliver them from what we are experiencing with the ruling party as we speak. So I on behalf of the Board of Trustees of this party, want to thank you, sir, for finding time to receive us.
Thank you, sir.
I know you are really very busy, and I think we had very useful discussions.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank
God
you,
bless
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Our national chairman of our party, who also meets our candidate, the principal. That's the board of. Those are the two people we think we should meet now. And we're also waiting on the vice presidential candidate, who will call on us anytime, either today, for us to meet, with him. So, we have virtually met with most of the governors, I don't want to mention names. We started from my state, my state, my governor, Ibazu. From there, we drove to Enugu to meet with the Enugu state governor. From there, we took a flight to Oyo State to meet Makinde. We even met with, we also met with our great friend, Professor Jerry Ghana. So we are really digging around, to find a lasting solution to this.
So you said something about a lasting solution.
Yes.
What kind of solution are we looking at?
The solution for us, all of us, to come together, to come on board, and then win the election in flying colors.
What's your reaction to the decision of the governor of Rivers and his group to pull out of the regional campaign council? How will you?
I think before I can answer that question, I will want to listen to what he will say to us tomorrow. According to, we read something on the television that he will address the nation on PDP tomorrow, Friday. So after that, I'll be able to, because you see, we don't want to say what we cannot, retrieve. When we hear him, then we're making attempts to meet with him, quite frankly, but I think he's been so busy that he's not been able to meet with the Board of Trustees. He's a member of this Board of Trustees, so as a family, I'm sure he's just waiting for the appropriate time. He will now give us audience.
His Excellency, would you want to tell us how the meeting went, sir?
Well, thank you very much. I would like to begin by thanking the chairman of the BoT, members of the BoT, and particularly this team for this very important initiative. We all know that the Board of Trustees is the conscience of the party, and whenever there are issues of this nature, the Board of Trustees steps in as part of their function in the party, constitutionally speaking. And we've engaged with them, and I believe that what they are likely to come up with is going to be a solution to the problem we have. Rest assured that as governors of the party, we're also talking to ourselves on the way forward. And very soon the Governors Forum will meet, and we will also come up with what we feel should be the position and the way forward for the party. We're all interested in working together for an objective, and that objective is for us to not only as a party and the people of the rest of Nigerians who are people of goodwill, who believe that we have had enough of the government of the APC, working together to see that we send forth APC and their government come May 29th, 2023. So it's a collective responsibility, and of course there are frayed nerves. We must apply soothing balm, and we must talk to ourselves. Since we all believe that what we have is not good enough, then we must also work together, solve our internal problems, and then forge ahead and prosecute the electoral battle. And by the grace of God, we shall have victory at the end of it all.
Sir, with all this why that this crisis has been persisting, have you made any attempt to reach out to your friend, the university?
Well, I believe that it's work in progress, and you will soon hear from us. Thank you very much. Sorry, the photographer was not here earlier.